Today we are going to Mumbai.
Yeah.
It is going to be a fun one.
Yeah.
We're looking at the Mumbai Unplugged episode of the RTR Family Podcast.
Yeah, and I think what we really want to do today is go beyond just, what everybody knows about Mumbai. It's a big city, it's got Bollywood and all that, but, what is it really like to be there, and how does it compare to other really large cities?
Yeah, and that's why we picked this episode, right, Pat?
Yeah, absolutely.
And it starts out right away by calling Mumbai the city that never sleeps.
Yeah, and they do a really good job of immersing you right away.
Right.
You can almost hear the car horns and the sounds of the city and and the traffic and everything, and then they hit you with it. Over 20 million people.
Yeah, 20 million. That's just mind-boggling.
Yeah, it's hard to even imagine what that would be like. You know,
like how do you even get around in a city with that many people?
And it's not just the number of people; it's the diversity. All these different cultures and languages and traditions.
Yeah, it must be just a constant, swirling mix of all these different things.
And then that's got to be a big part of why it's called the city that never sleeps, right?
Yeah. I mean, it's just like this constant flow of energy from all these different directions.
And then you add in the fact that it's India's financial hub.
Right.
So you've got all this commerce and industry going on.
Yeah, of course, Bollywood.
Oh, yeah. Can't forget Bollywood.
Like, when you think of Mumbai, you almost immediately think of Bollywood, right?
Yeah, it's like the image that comes to mind for so many people.
Yeah, but this episode really wants to go beyond that.
Yeah, it's about looking at the everyday lives of people in Mumbai.
Right.
The stuff that's not in the movies.
Yeah, like how do they actually live in this city?
And what I really liked is how they use sound to kind of put you there.
Oh, yeah.
Like you can hear the local trains and the street chatter and all. It just kind of sucks you in.
Yeah, it really does.
It's like you're right there in the middle of it all.
So, okay, we've talked about the energy of the city, but let's talk about the food.
Oh, the food!
Like, I'm getting hungry just thinking about it.
Yeah, that section of the episode was just amazing.
Yeah, they talk about all the classic Mumbai street food.
Yeah, like pav bhaji and bel puri.
And don't forget the vada pav.
Oh, yeah, the vada pav.
They even called it Mumbai's very own burger.
Which is such a perfect description.
Yeah, it's like the quintessential Mumbai snack.
And it's not just about the food itself, it's about how it fits into the culture.
Right, like how it's part of people's daily lives.
Yeah, whether it's a quick bite on the go or a family gathering.
Yeah, food is just such an important part of the Mumbai experience.
Yeah, so we've got the energy, we've got the food.
Now let's talk about Bollywood.
Oh yeah, Bollywood.
And again, they do a great job of using sound to put you in the scene.
Yeah.
You can hear snippets of famous dialogue and music.
And they talk about Film City in Goregaon.
Yes.
Which is like the heart of the Bollywood industry.
And all the aspiring actors who come to Mumbai hoping to make it big.
Yeah, it's like they're Hollywood,
Yeah, but then the episode goes beyond just Bollywood.
Right, because Mumbai is not just about movies.
Yeah, they talk about the theater scene and the art galleries and the music scene.
It's a really vibrant cultural hub.
Yeah, and I think that's important to remember.
Yeah, there's so much more to Mumbai than just Bollywood.
So, okay, we've talked about the iconic stuff, the stuff that everyone knows about.
Right.
But now let's get into the hidden gems.
Oh, yeah, this is where it gets really interesting.
Yeah, they talk about places that you wouldn't necessarily find in a typical travel guide.
Like Sanjay Gandhi National Park.
Yeah, it's amazing that they have this huge park right in the middle of the city.
And then there's Kartachiwadi.
With its old world architecture.
Yeah, it's like stepping back in time.
And the street art scene in Bandra.
Yeah, I love that they included that.
It shows that there's this whole underground art movement happening in Mumbai.
And it makes you wonder what other hidden gems are out there.
Yeah, like what else are we missing?
Exactly.
So we've covered a lot of ground here, but I think the most important thing that the episode gets at is the spirit of Mumbai.
Yeah, the essence of the people.
And again, they use sound to really capture this. You can hear this uplifting music and the sounds of people helping each other.
And they talk about the never give up attitude of Mumbaikars.
Yeah, they're known for their resilience.
Like they've faced so many challenges.
Monsoons, overcrowding, you name it.
But they always bounce back.
And there's this real sense of unity and diversity.
Yeah, like despite all their differences, they come together as a community.
Especially in times of need.
Yeah, it's really inspiring.
So I think that's what really makes Mumbai special.
Yeah, it's the people.
It's that spirit of resilience and community that you just don't find everywhere.
So to kind of wrap things up, I think the Mumbai Unplugged episode does a really great job of giving you a feel for what Mumbai is all about.
It goes beyond the stereotype.
Yes, it shows you the real city.
And I think it leaves you with a lot to think about.
Definitely.
Like, how does a city like Mumbai shape the people who live there.
And how does it compare to other big cities around the world?
So I would encourage you to listen to the episodes for yourself.
Yeah, and see what you think.
And maybe even visit Mumbai someday and experience it firsthand.
That would be amazing.
Yeah. So thanks for joining